Cancer-free is one of the first words every patient wants to hear when battling the deadly disease. And your cancer is back as a tough pill to swallow for patients and families in remission. But Dr. David Braun, physician scientist at Yale University, may have a solution so that patients and families only have to hear that first phrase.
I think just about every family is in some way touched by cancer.
Braun's family is no exception.
My mother had been diagnosed with a rare cancer type when I was young, when I was in middle school, and passed away when I was in graduate school. And then my father was diagnosed with a colon cancer when I was an intern in medicine, and fortunately has done very, very well. Was really a beneficiary of a lot of excellent medical care, and is now cancer-free, which is great.
This experience motivated him to try and make a difference in the field so many are chipping away at.
We've shown how much these advances can make an enormous difference for patients, the lives of patients, their families. But at the same time, we also know that we have to do a lot more, and I think that's where cancer research comes in.
Braun specializes in kidney cancer research. His recent project sought to answer the question, how do patients stay cancer-free?
Kidney cancer is something that a lot of people, it's not maybe the top thing on their mind, but it's a pretty common cancer type. Many types are higher risk. Maybe a third of people or half of people in those high-risk situations will have their cancer come back.
Braun and his team studied 9 patients. They gave each one a personalized vaccine for their type of tumor. Today, Braun says all 9 patients remain cancer-free.
The idea behind a therapeutic vaccine, which is really what this was, is to try to add that steering wheel to say not just activate the immune system, but really steer and try to attack the cancer specifically. So far, the results have been really encouraging.
Braun and his team are still practicing caution with the success of the trials, but hopes that helping these 9 families is the start of something bigger.
This is kind of the first step, and I think it's a really important and big step. It means we still have to do the hard work of being rigorous and systematic, but now we have to say in a much larger group of people and hundreds of people, is this really effective? Is this really preventing the cancer from coming back?
Dr. Braun and his team have partnered with Merck and Moderna to scale this project and bring these treatments to hundreds of people. He says that in the coming months, they should have fully enrolled patients to participate in the research. In New Haven, Jamel Johnson, Fox 61.